There's a moment, just as you're drifting off to sleep, when the boundaries of reality begin to blur. The weight of the day softens, and your mind opens to something far greater, something infinite. Tonight, we invite you into a dream where time doesn't flow in one direction, where stars aren't just distant lights, but ancient storytellers, and where the universe itself seems to pulse with secrets waiting to be unraveled. This is no ordinary dream. It's a journey into the heart of timeless cosmic mysteries, where the vastness of space meets the subtle, shimmering world of quantum physics. Here, the rules we take for granted no longer apply. Instead, the cosmos and the quantum realm intertwine, weaving a story that stretches beyond the limits of our understanding. Together, we'll explore how these two worlds collide, uncovering the science that binds them and the profound questions they raise about existence itself. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let's step into a realm where the stars whisper, time bends, and the universe unfolds its wonders in ways you've never imagined. In the quiet stillness of the cosmos, the universe reveals itself not as a static void, but as a living, breathing canvas, alive with motion and mystery. Picture, for a moment, the swirling arms of galaxies, each one a whirlpool of light and dust, spinning gracefully through the darkness. These celestial bodies, born from clouds of gas and dust, burn brightly for billions of years before collapsing in spectacular supernova, scattering their essence across the void to seed new stars, new worlds. It's a cycle as old as time itself, a dance of creation and destruction that stretches across the unimaginable vastness of space. And yet, for all its grandeur, the universe holds secrets that even the most advanced telescopes and probes cannot fully unravel. Black holes, those enigmatic regions where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, challenge our understanding of physics. Dark matter, invisible and elusive, makes up most of the universe's mass, yet we can only infer its presence by the way it bends the fabric of space. And then there's the question of how it all began. The Big Bang, a moment of infinite density and energy that set the stage for everything we see today. These cosmic mysteries are not just scientific puzzles. They are invitations to wonder, to dream, to explore. They remind us that the universe is not just a place to observe, but a story to be lived, a narrative woven with threads of light and shadow, matter and energy. As we drift into this interstellar sleep story, these phenomena become more than distant wonders. They become the very fabric of our dreams, a backdrop against which the impossible feels within reach. So let's journey deeper into this cosmic tapestry, where science and imagination intertwine, and where the stars themselves seem to whisper tales of timeless wonders yet to be discovered. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we find ourselves stepping into a realm where the rules of the universe take on a strange, almost dreamlike quality. This is the quantum world, a place where particles don't simply exist in one state or location, but can be in multiple places at once, as if the universe itself is unsure of where they belong. This phenomenon, known as superposition, is one of the cornerstones of quantum mechanics. Imagine a coin spinning in midair, neither heads nor tails, but both at the same time until it lands. In the quantum realm, particles exist in this state of uncertainty, a cosmic dance of possibilities where the outcome is only decided when observed. It's as if reality itself is fluid, shifting and reshaping with every glance we take. Then there's entanglement, a connection so profound that two particles, no matter how far apart they are in the universe, can instantly influence each other. Picture two stars, light years apart, yet somehow communicating faster than the speed of light. This isn't science fiction, it's a real phenomenon that challenges our understanding of space and time. Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance, and to this day, it remains one of the most baffling and beautiful mysteries of the quantum world. And let's not forget wave-particle duality, the idea that particles like electrons can behave both as solid objects and as waves of energy. Think of it like a cosmic actor, seamlessly switching roles depending on the scene. One moment, it's a particle, a tiny point of matter. The next, it's a wave, spreading out across space like ripples on a pond. This duality blurs the line between what is real and what is possible, inviting us to question the very nature of existence. These quantum phenomena don't just challenge our understanding of physics, they mirror the mysteries we see in the cosmos. Just as black holes warp time and space, quantum particles bend the rules of reality. Both realms remind us that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we could ever imagine. And as we explore these parallels, we begin to see how the quantum and the cosmic are not separate, but interconnected, two sides of the same cosmic coin. So as we drift further into this interstellar sleep story, let the quantum realm guide us. Let it remind us that the universe is not just a place of fixed laws and predictable outcomes, but a tapestry of infinite possibilities, where the impossible becomes possible and the mysteries of existence are waiting to be unraveled. As we drift deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos and the quantum realm, there's a place where these two worlds seem to merge in the most unexpected way, our dreams. Dreams, those fleeting yet vivid journeys of the mind, have long been a source of wonder and curiosity. They are more than just stories our brains tell us while we sleep. They might just be a bridge between the vastness of the universe and the strange, unpredictable nature of quantum physics. Think about it. When you dream, the rules of reality no longer apply. You can be in two places at once, just like a quantum particle in superposition. Time can stretch or collapse, allowing you to relive moments from the past or leap into a future that hasn't yet happened. Space becomes fluid, and the boundaries between here and there dissolve, much like the entangled particles that communicate across unimaginable distances. Dreams, in their own way, mirror the peculiarities of the quantum world, offering us a glimpse into a reality where the impossible feels within reach. Scientists have long been fascinated by lucid dreaming, a state where dreamers become aware they're dreaming and can even control the narrative. In these moments, the dreamer isn't just a passive observer, but an active participant, shaping their own alternate reality. Some researchers suggest that lucid dreaming could be a tool for exploring the subconscious mind, unlocking hidden knowledge, or even tapping into the collective consciousness of humanity. Could it be that these dreams are more than just random firings of the brain? Could they be a window into the quantum fabric of existence, where the mind transcends the limits of time and space? There are stories of artists, scientists, and inventors who credit their dreams with groundbreaking ideas. The chemist Auguste Kekulé famously dreamed of a snake biting its own tail, which led him to discover the ring-like structure of benzene. The inventor Nikola Tesla claimed that many of his designs came to him in vivid dreams, as if the universe itself was whispering its secrets to him. These anecdotes hint at a deeper connection between the dreaming mind and the mysteries of the cosmos. So what if dreams are more than just a byproduct of sleep? What if they are a way for our minds to explore the quantum realm, to travel through the folds of space-time, and to connect with the universe on a level we can't yet fully understand? In dreams, we might be tapping into a universal language, one that speaks in symbols, emotions, and flashes of insight. It's as if the universe, in all its complexity, is inviting us to explore its secrets, not just through science, but through the boundless landscape of our own imagination. As we continue this journey, let's keep this question in mind. Could dreams be more than a nightly escape? Could they be a gateway to understanding the very fabric of reality, where the cosmic and the quantum meet in the quiet depths of our subconscious? The answer, like the universe itself, may be far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. Now, let's step into the concept of time, not as the steady, ticking clock we're used to, but as something far more mysterious and malleable. In the cosmos, time doesn't always flow in a straight line. It bends, stretches, and sometimes even folds in on itself, creating moments where the past, present, and future coexist. This is the realm of timelessness, a place where the rules of our everyday experience no longer apply, and where the universe reveals its most profound secrets. Einstein's theory of relativity was one of the first to challenge our understanding of time. He showed us that time isn't absolute, it's relative, changing depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to a massive object like a black hole. Near a black hole, for example, time slows down dramatically. A single hour for someone near its edge could feel like years for an observer far away. It's as if the black hole is tugging at the very fabric of time, warping it into shapes we can barely comprehend. And then there's the speed of light. According to Einstein, as you approach the speed of light, time itself begins to stretch. For a traveler moving at near light speed, a journey that feels like a few years could span centuries for those left behind. This isn't just theoretical, it's been proven through experiments with particles and atomic clocks. Time, it seems, is far more flexible than we ever imagined. But timelessness isn't just a feature of the cosmos, it's also a cornerstone of quantum physics. In the quantum realm, particles don't experience time in the same way we do. They exist in a state of potential, where past, present, and future are intertwined. This idea is echoed in theories like the block universe, which suggests that all moments in time, past, present, and future, exist simultaneously, like frames in a film strip. From this perspective, time isn't a flowing river, but a vast, unchanging landscape, where every moment is equally real. In our interstellar sleep story, timelessness becomes a recurring theme, a thread that ties the cosmic and the quantum together. Imagine lying beneath a starry sky, where the light you see has traveled millions of years to reach you. You're not just looking at stars, you're glimpsing the past itself. And yet, In that same moment, you're also part of the present, connected to the universe in ways that transcend time. It's as if the cosmos is inviting you to see beyond the linear flow of days and years, to a place where all moments are one. This idea of timelessness isn't just a scientific concept, it's a deeply human one. It's the feeling you get when you lose yourself in a moment, when the boundaries between then, now, and later seem to fade away. It's the sense of connection you feel when you gaze at the stars, knowing that the light you see is both ancient and immediate. In the quiet stillness of the cosmos, time becomes something more than a measurement. It becomes a story, a tapestry woven from moments that stretch across the ages. So as we continue this journey, let's embrace the idea of timelessness, not as a distant, abstract concept, but as a living, breathing part of the universe. It's a reminder that we are not separate from the cosmos, but deeply connected to it, woven into the fabric of space and time itself. And in that connection, we find not just wonder, but a profound sense of belonging, a timeless thread that ties us to the stars. Among the countless wonders of the cosmos, few are as captivating or as enigmatic as black holes. These cosmic phenomena are not just empty voids. They are the universe's most extreme laboratories, where gravity becomes so intense that it warps the very fabric of space and time. Imagine a region of space where the pull of gravity is so overwhelming that nothing, not even light, can escape. This is the defining feature of a black hole, a place where the rules of physics as we know them are stretched to their limits, and where the unknown beckons with irresistible allure. Black holes are born from the death of massive stars. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, compressing into an infinitely dense point known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. Crossing the event horizon is like stepping over an invisible threshold, a point of no return where the pull of gravity becomes inescapable. From the outside, it might seem like a silent, dark abyss, but the experience of falling into a black hole would be anything but ordinary. Picture this: as you approach the event horizon, time begins to slow. The stars around you stretch and twist, their light bending into strange, surreal shapes. The closer you get, the more the universe seems to distort, as if you're being pulled into a cosmic whirlpool. And then, at the moment of crossing, something extraordinary happens. To an outside observer, you would appear to freeze, suspended in time at the edge of the event horizon. But for you, the journey continues, plunging deeper into a realm where space and time lose all meaning. What lies beyond the event horizon? This is where the mysteries deepen. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe, or even to entirely different universes. The idea of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time, has long fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. Could a black hole be one end of a wormhole, connecting distant regions of the cosmos, or even alternate realities? It's a tantalizing possibility, one that blurs the line between science and imagination. Others speculate that black holes might hold clues to the quantum realm. At their core, where gravity becomes infinite, the laws of quantum mechanics could take over, revealing a world where particles exist in multiple states and dimensions intertwine. This intersection of the cosmic and the quantum is one of the most profound frontiers of modern physics, offering a glimpse into the fundamental nature of reality itself. And then there's the question of what happens to matter that falls into a black hole. Some theories suggest it could be crushed into an infinitely dense singularity, while others propose that it might be ejected into another universe, or even transformed into pure energy. The truth is, we don't yet know. Black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, a reminder that for all we've learned, the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. In the context of our interstellar sleep story, black holes become more than just cosmic phenomena. They are portals to the unknown, gateways to realms where the boundaries of reality dissolve. Falling into a black hole might feel like the ultimate dream, a journey into the heart of timelessness, where the past, present, and future merge into one. It's a place where the universe invites us to let go of what we think we know and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. So as we drift further into this cosmic dream, let the mystery of black holes guide us. Let them remind us that the universe is not just a place of answers, but of questions, of wonders that challenge us to think beyond the limits of our understanding. In their darkness, we find not an end, but a beginning, a doorway to the infinite, where the stars whisper their secrets and the cosmos unfolds its timeless mysteries. While black holes captivate with their visible extremes, there's another cosmic force at work, one that remains invisible yet shapes the very fabric of the universe. This is dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of all matter in existence. Unlike the stars, planets, and galaxies we can see, dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It's entirely invisible, detectable only through its gravitational effects on the visible universe. Yet without it, galaxies would fly apart, and the cosmos as we know it would cease to exist. It's as if the universe has a hidden scaffolding, a silent architect, holding everything together in ways we're only beginning to understand. The story of dark matter begins with the motions of galaxies. In the 1930s, astronomer Fritz Zwicky noticed something strange. Galaxies in clusters were moving far faster than they should be based on the visible matter they contain. The math didn't add up. There had to be something else, something unseen, providing the extra gravitational pull needed to keep them from flying apart. Decades later, Vera Rubin's observations of spiral galaxies confirmed this mystery. Stars on the edges of galaxies were orbiting just as fast as those near the center, defying the expectations of Newton's laws. The only explanation, an invisible mass far greater than what we could see, was at work. But what is dark matter? Despite decades of research, we still don't know for sure. It doesn't interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making it nearly impossible to detect directly. Scientists have proposed various theories, from exotic particles that barely interact with ordinary matter to entire hidden dimensions we can't perceive. Some even suggest that dark matter could be made up of primordial black holes, remnants from the early universe. Yet, for all our theories, dark matter remains elusive, a cosmic puzzle that challenges our understanding of the universe. In many ways, dark matter mirrors the hidden layers of our own minds, the subconscious, where thoughts, memories, and instincts reside just beneath the surface of our awareness. Like dark matter, the subconscious doesn't reveal itself directly. We can't see it, yet it shapes our thoughts, emotions, and actions in profound ways. Dreams, for example, are often seen as a window into this hidden realm, offering glimpses of deeper truths we might not otherwise recognize. Just as dark matter holds galaxies together, the subconscious binds our experiences, creating the intricate web of who we are. This parallel invites us to consider how much of the universe and ourselves remains hidden, waiting to be uncovered. Dark matter reminds us that what we see is only a fraction of what exists. The visible universe, dazzling as it is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Beneath the surface lies a vast, unseen world, filled with mysteries that challenge us to look beyond the obvious and explore the unknown. And just as dark matter shapes the cosmos, the hidden layers of our minds shape our perception of reality. Both realms are filled with secrets waiting to be discovered, connections waiting to be made. They remind us that the universe is not just a place of light and matter, but of shadows and possibilities, where the invisible is just as important as the visible. So as we continue this journey through the cosmos, let dark matter be a reminder of the unseen forces that shape our lives. Whether in the vastness of space or the depths of our own minds, there's always more to uncover, more to understand. The universe, in all its mystery, is a story still being written, and we are both its readers and its authors, exploring the hidden threads that weave everything together. Imagine a universe where every decision you've ever made, every path you chose or didn't choose, exists simultaneously. Now multiply that by infinity, and you begin to grasp the multiverse theory. This mind-bending idea suggests that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique set of physical laws, histories, and possibilities. It's a concept that stretches the boundaries of our imagination, challenging us to think beyond the limits of the observable cosmos. The multiverse theory isn't just a wild thought experiment. It's rooted in the principles of quantum mechanics. In the quantum realm, particles exist in a state of probability, where every possible outcome of an event is real until it's observed. This idea, known as the many worlds interpretation, suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple branches, each representing a different outcome. In one universe, you might have taken a left turn instead of a right. In another, the stars themselves might burn with different colors. But what does this have to do with dreams? Some theorists propose that dreams might be more than just random neural activity. They could be fleeting glimpses into these alternate realities. Picture this: as you sleep, your mind becomes a kind of cosmic antenna, tuning into frequencies of other universes where different versions of you are living out different lives. A dream about flying over a city you've never visited might not just be a figment of your imagination. It could be a snapshot of another you in another world, experiencing something entirely real. This idea isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. Dreams often feel vivid and immersive, as if we're stepping into a fully realized world, even if only for a moment. They can evoke emotions and sensations that feel as real as waking life, blurring the line between what's possible and what's imagined. If dreams are indeed windows into the multiverse, they might offer us a way to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. to see what lies beyond the boundaries of our own reality. And then there's the question of what these alternate realities might mean for us. If every choice creates a new universe, then somewhere out there, a version of you is living every life you could have lived. It's a humbling thought, one that invites us to reflect on the paths we've taken and the ones we've left behind. But it's also a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, of how even the smallest decisions ripple out across the fabric of existence. In the context of our interstellar sleep story, the multiverse becomes more than just a scientific theory. It's a tapestry of infinite stories, each one unique, each one real. As we drift through the cosmos and the quantum realm, the idea of parallel universes adds another layer of wonder to the journey. It's a reminder that the universe isn't just vast, it's infinitely vast, filled with possibilities that stretch beyond the limits of our understanding. So as we continue to explore the mysteries of space, time, and dreams, let's keep the multiverse in mind. It's a concept that challenges us to think bigger, to imagine worlds beyond our own, and to see the cosmos not as a single story, but as an infinite collection of tales, each one waiting to be discovered. Whether through science or dreams, the multiverse invites us to step into the unknown, to explore the infinite, and to embrace the endless wonders of existence. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, stars are more than just distant points of light. They are storytellers, each one a beacon of energy and meaning, pulsing with secrets that span eons. When you gaze up at the night sky, you're not just looking at stars, you're witnessing the language of the universe itself. Stars communicate through light, energy, and cosmic vibrations. Each flicker and flare, a word in a celestial conversation that has been ongoing since the dawn of time. Every star begins its life in a swirling cloud of gas and dust, a nursery of cosmic potential. Gravity pulls these particles together, compressing them until the core becomes hot enough to ignite nuclear fusion. This is the moment of birth, when a star bursts into existence, casting its first light into the void. For millions or even billions of years, it burns steadily, converting hydrogen into helium, radiating energy that travels across the cosmos. But stars, like all things, have a life cycle. When they exhaust their fuel, their fate depends on their size. Smaller stars, like our sun, gently shed their outer layers, forming beautiful nebulae that glow like cosmic jewels. Larger stars, however, meet a more dramatic end. They collapse under their own gravity before exploding in a supernova, a brilliant burst of light and energy that can outshine entire galaxies. These explosions scatter heavy elements like iron, gold, and carbon into space, seeding the universe with the building blocks of planets, moons, and even life itself. What's truly remarkable is that the light we see from stars carries more than just energy. It carries information. Every photon that reaches us is a message, encoded with details about the star's composition, temperature, and age. When astronomers study starlight, they are essentially reading a cosmic diary, one that tells the story of the star's life and death. But could there be more to this light than just scientific data? Could stars hold ancient wisdom, encoded in their vibrations and frequencies, waiting to be deciphered by those who listen closely enough? There's something poetic about the idea that stars might be more than just physical objects. They might be repositories of knowledge, their light carrying the whispers of civilizations long gone, or the secrets of the universe itself. In dreams, where the boundaries of reality blur, perhaps we can tap into this cosmic language. Imagine lying beneath the stars, your mind drifting into the realm of sleep, and suddenly, the light of a distant star begins to speak to you. Not in words, but in feelings, in images, in vibrations that resonate deep within your soul. This isn't just fantasy, it's a way of thinking about the universe that bridges science and imagination. Stars remind us that we are part of something much larger, a cosmic web of energy and information that connects everything. Their light reaches us across unimaginable distances, a reminder that even in the vastness of space, we are never truly alone. So as we continue this journey through the cosmos, let the stars guide you. Let their light wash over you, not just as a source of beauty, but as a message, a story, a connection to the infinite. Whether through science or dreams, the language of the stars invites us to listen, to learn, and to dream deeply enough to hear what they have to say. For in their light, we might just find the answers to questions we haven't yet learned to ask. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars and galaxies are separated by unimaginable distances, there exists a phenomenon so strange that it challenges our understanding of connection itself. This is quantum entanglement, a mysterious bond that links particles in ways that defy the limits of space and time. Imagine two particles, born together in a single moment, forever linked no matter how far apart they drift. If one particle changes its state, its spin, its polarization, the other instantly mirrors that change, even if it's light years away. It's as if the universe has woven an invisible thread between them, a thread that tugs at the very fabric of reality. This connection isn't just a curiosity of quantum physics. It's a profound reminder of how deeply interconnected everything in the universe truly is. Albert Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance, and for good reason. It seems to bypass the speed of light, the universe's ultimate speed limit. Yet, despite its strangeness, entanglement isn't just a quirk of the quantum world. It's a fundamental feature of the cosmos, a hint that separation might be an illusion, and that everything, every particle, every star, every living being, is part of a greater whole. Now, think about the connections we feel in our own lives. Have you ever had a dream where someone you love appeared, even though they were far away? Or felt a sudden, inexplicable pull toward someone, as if an invisible force were guiding you? These moments might feel like coincidence, but could they be echoes of a deeper, cosmic connection? Just as entangled particles remain linked across vast distances, perhaps the bonds we share with others, whether through love, friendship, or shared experiences, are similarly woven into the fabric of existence. Dreams, in particular, offer a fascinating lens through which to explore this idea. In the dream world, time and space lose their grip, allowing us to connect with people, places, and even versions of ourselves that exist beyond the boundaries of waking life. It's as if our minds, in their most unguarded state, tap into a universal network of connection, one that mirrors the entangled particles of the quantum realm. When we dream of someone, are we simply recalling a memory, or are we reaching across the cosmos to touch a thread of their presence, no matter where they are? This idea of entanglement as a metaphor for connection extends beyond individuals. It invites us to consider how everything in the universe is linked, how the stars, the planets, and even the atoms in our bodies are part of a single, intricate tapestry. The same forces that bind particles together also bind us to the cosmos, to each other, and to the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. It's a reminder that we are not isolated beings adrift in a cold, empty universe, but active participants in a living, breathing network of existence. So as we continue this journey through the mysteries of the cosmos and the quantum realm, let quantum entanglement be a guide. It's not just a scientific phenomenon. It's a poetic reminder of the ties that bind us to each other, to the stars, and to the infinite possibilities of existence. Whether through the bonds of love, the whispers of dreams, or the invisible threads that connect every particle in the universe, entanglement shows us that we are all part of something greater, a cosmic dance, where every step, every movement, is connected in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos and the quantum realm, we arrive at a question that touches the very core of what it means to be human. What is the role of consciousness in all of this? Consciousness, the awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and existence, isn't just a byproduct of the brain. It might be a fundamental force, shaping the way we perceive and interact with reality. Some theories even suggest that consciousness could influence the quantum world, blurring the line between observer and observed in ways that challenge our understanding of the universe. Take, for example, the observer effect in quantum mechanics. In the quantum realm, particles exist in a state of probability until they're observed. It's as if the act of observation itself collapses these probabilities into a single reality. This has led some scientists and philosophers to propose that consciousness might play a key role in this process. Could it be that our minds, through the act of observation, are not just passive witnesses, but active participants in shaping reality? This idea becomes even more intriguing when we consider dreams. In dreams, our consciousness takes on a life of its own, creating vivid worlds and experiences that feel as real as waking life. But what if dreams are more than just the brain's way of processing information? What if they're a form of quantum observation, where the mind explores and collapses possibilities into realities? Picture this. As you dream, your consciousness navigates a sea of probabilities, choosing which ones to bring into focus, much like a cosmic explorer charting uncharted territories. Some theorists go even further, suggesting that consciousness might not be confined to the brain, but could be a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. This idea, known as panpsychism, proposes that all matter has some level of consciousness, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy. If true, it would mean that the universe isn't just a collection of inert objects, but a living, conscious entity, with each part, including us, playing a role in its unfolding story. Dreams, then, might be a way for our individual consciousness to connect with this universal awareness. In the dream state, where the boundaries of time and space dissolve, we might tap into a deeper layer of reality, one where the quantum and the cosmic converge. It's as if the universe is inviting us to explore its mysteries, not just through science, but through the limitless possibilities of our own minds. This perspective invites us to reconsider what it means to observe, to dream, and to exist. If consciousness truly influences the quantum realm, then every thought, every dream, Every moment of awareness might ripple out into the cosmos, shaping reality in ways we're only beginning to understand. It's a humbling thought, one that places us not as separate from the universe, but as integral to its fabric, woven into the very threads of existence. So as we continue this journey, let's keep the question of consciousness in mind. It's a reminder that the universe isn't just something we observe, it's something we shape, something we are part of. And in that realization, we find not just wonder, but a profound sense of connection, a bond that ties us to the stars, to the quantum, and to the infinite mysteries that lie beyond. As we drift deeper into the interstellar sleep story, let's explore a concept that feels both fantastical and deeply rooted in the mysteries of the universe: interstellar sleep. This isn't just ordinary rest, it's a state where the mind transcends the boundaries of the physical world, embarking on a journey through the vast expanse of space and time. Picture yourself floating weightlessly, not bound by gravity or the limitations of earthly life, as your consciousness becomes a traveler in the cosmos. In this dreamlike state, the universe unfolds before you like a living tapestry. You glide through swirling nebulae, their vibrant colors shifting from deep purples to fiery oranges, as if you're passing through clouds of cosmic paint. These stellar nurseries, where stars are born, pulse with energy, their light flickering like distant campfires in the void. Each nebula tells a story of creation, of matter and energy coming together to form something new, and in this interstellar sleep, you're not just an observer, you're part of the story. As you drift further, you find yourself orbiting distant planets, their surfaces a patchwork of alien landscapes. Some are barren and rocky, their craters telling tales of ancient collisions. Others are shrouded in thick atmospheres, their skies alive with storms of swirling gas. You might even catch a glimpse of a ringed planet, its icy bands glinting in the light of a far-off star. These worlds, so different from our own, remind us of the infinite diversity of the cosmos and the endless possibilities it holds. And then, as if the universe is putting on a show just for you, you witness cosmic events of unimaginable scale. A supernova explodes in the distance, its light so brilliant it outshines entire galaxies for a fleeting moment. The shockwaves ripple through space, carrying with them the elements forged in the heart of the dying star: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of life itself. Nearby, a black hole devours a star, its gravity bending light into surreal arcs and spirals. These events, both destructive and creative, remind us that the universe is a place of constant change, where endings give rise to new beginnings. But interstellar sleep isn't just about witnessing the cosmos, it's about experiencing the connection between the quantum and the cosmic. As you float through space, you might sense the strange, almost magical nature of quantum physics at work. The particles around you seem to shimmer in and out of existence, as if they are uncertain of their own reality. You feel the pull of entanglement, the invisible threads that link everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. It's as if the cosmos itself is whispering to you, revealing its secrets in a language that transcends words. This journey through interstellar sleep becomes a metaphor for the interconnectedness of all things. It's a reminder that we are not separate from the universe, but deeply woven into its fabric. The same forces that shape stars and galaxies also shape us, and in this dreamlike state, we can sense that connection more deeply than ever before. It's a moment of profound unity, where the boundaries between self and cosmos dissolve, and we become one with the infinite. So as we continue this exploration, let interstellar sleep be our guide, a bridge between the wonders of the cosmos and the mysteries of the quantum realm. It's a journey that invites us to dream boldly, to see the universe not just as a place of distant wonders, but as a living, breathing entity that we are part of. And in that realization, we find not just awe, but a deep sense of belonging, a timeless thread that ties us to the stars. What if the dreams that visit us in the quiet hours of the night are more than just random firings of the brain? What if they are messages subtle, symbolic, and profound, sent to us from the universe itself? Throughout history, dreams have been seen as more than mere imagination. Ancient cultures across the globe believed dreams were a form of divine communication, a bridge between the earthly and the ethereal. The Egyptians saw dreams as messages from the gods, often consulting dream interpreters for guidance. The Greeks built temples dedicated to Asclepius, the god of healing, where people would sleep in hopes of receiving a revelatory dream. Indigenous traditions around the world have long viewed dreams as a way to connect with ancestors, spirits, and the natural world. These cultures understood dreams not as fleeting illusions, but as sacred portals to wisdom beyond the waking mind. Modern science, too, is beginning to explore the idea that dreams might hold deeper significance. While we know that dreams are tied to the brain's processing of memories and emotions, there's growing interest in how they might tap into something more universal. Some researchers suggest that dreams could be a way for the subconscious to communicate with the conscious mind, using symbols and emotions to convey insights that are difficult to grasp in waking life. Think of it like this: the universe speaks in a language of patterns, vibrations, and energy. Dreams, with their vivid imagery and emotional resonance, might be one way this cosmic language reaches us, offering guidance, warnings, or even glimpses of the future. Consider the stories of people who have had dreams that felt prophetic or deeply meaningful. A dream might warn of an impending danger, inspire a groundbreaking idea, or offer comfort during a time of loss. These experiences are often dismissed as coincidence, but what if they are something more? What if dreams are a way for the universe to nudge us, to guide us toward paths we might not otherwise see? The symbols and emotions in dreams could be a kind of code, a way for the cosmos to communicate with us in a language that transcends words. This doesn't mean every dream is a cosmic message, of course. Many dreams are simply reflections of our daily lives, our fears, and our desires. But every so often, a dream stands out, one that feels different, more vivid, more real. These are the dreams worth paying attention to. They might come in the form of recurring images, powerful emotions, or a sense of clarity that lingers long after you wake. These are the moments when the universe might be speaking to you, offering a glimpse of something greater. So how can we begin to decode these cosmic messages? Start by keeping a dream journal. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake, capturing the details before they fade. Look for patterns, recurring symbols, or emotions that feel significant. Over time, you might begin to see connections between your dreams and your waking life, or even uncover insights that feel like they come from beyond yourself. The idea that dreams could be messages from the universe is both ancient and cutting edge, a reminder that science and spirituality don't have to be at odds. Whether you see dreams as a product of the brain or a connection to something greater, they remain one of the most mysterious and beautiful aspects of human experience. They invite us to look beyond the surface of reality, to explore the hidden layers of existence, and to listen, not just with our ears, but with our hearts and minds. As we continue this journey through the cosmos and the quantum realm, let's not forget the wisdom that might be waiting for us in our dreams. They are more than just stories our minds tell us at night. They could be whispers from the universe itself, guiding us, inspiring us, and reminding us that we are part of something infinitely larger than ourselves. So tonight, as you close your eyes and drift into sleep, pay attention. The stars might have something to say. Timelessness is a concept that stretches beyond the boundaries of science, touching the very core of what it means to exist. It's not just a feature of the cosmos or a quirk of quantum mechanics. It's a philosophical puzzle that has fascinated thinkers for centuries. What does it mean to exist outside of time? How does the idea of eternity shape our understanding of life, purpose, and the universe? These questions don't just challenge our intellect. They stir something deep within us, blending awe with a hint of unease. Philosophers have long grappled with the notion of timelessness. Plato, for instance, saw the eternal as a realm of perfect forms, unchanging and infinite, beyond the fleeting imperfections of our material world. To him, timelessness was a source of truth and beauty, a glimpse into a higher reality that transcended the chaos of everyday life. Centuries later, Immanuel Kant argued that time itself is a construct of the human mind, a framework we impose on the world to make sense of our experiences. If time is merely a lens through which we view reality, what lies beyond it? The idea is both liberating and disorienting, suggesting that the universe might be far stranger than we can comprehend. Science, too, offers its own perspective on timelessness. Physicists like Julian Barber propose that time might not exist at all, that what we perceive as past, present, and future could be an illusion. In this view, the universe is a vast collection of moments, each one equally real, existing simultaneously like frames in a film strip. It's a radical idea, one that challenges our most fundamental assumptions about existence. Yet, it also resonates with ancient philosophies, echoing the timeless truths that thinkers like Plato and Kant explored. This duality of timelessness as both a source of wonder and a challenge to our sense of self lies at the heart of its philosophical impact. On one hand, the idea of eternity can be deeply comforting. It suggests that the universe is not a fleeting, chaotic accident, but a vast, interconnected whole, where every moment has meaning. It's a reminder that we are part of something greater, a cosmic story that stretches far beyond our individual lives. On the other hand, timelessness can also feel unsettling. If time is an illusion, what does that mean for our sense of identity? Are we merely fleeting patterns in an eternal tapestry, or do we have a lasting place in the universe? These questions can evoke a sense of existential vertigo, as if the ground beneath our feet is constantly shifting. Yet, they also invite us to think more deeply about what it means to be alive, to exist in a universe where the boundaries of time are so fluid. The poet Rainer Maria Rilke once wrote, "We are the bees of the invisible. We wildly collect the honey of the visible to store it in the great golden hive of the invisible. This beautiful metaphor captures the essence of timelessness, a realm where the visible and invisible intertwine, where the fleeting moments of our lives are gathered into something eternal. Whether through philosophy, science, or art, timelessness invites us to look beyond the surface of reality, to explore the hidden layers of existence, and to find meaning in the infinite. So as we reflect on the philosophy of timelessness, let it be both a mirror and a window, a mirror that reflects our deepest questions about existence, and a window that opens onto the infinite possibilities of the universe. It's a reminder that the cosmos is not just a place of stars and galaxies, but a realm of ideas, of mysteries waiting to be explored. And in that exploration, we might just find a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we call home. Beyond the silence of space, there lies an invisible symphony, a cosmic orchestra of vibrations and frequencies that hums through the fabric of the universe. This is the music of the cosmos, a soundscape created by celestial bodies as they move, collide, and evolve. From the gentle hum of a star's core to the thunderous roar of colliding galaxies, every object in the universe contributes to this grand, universal melody. And while these sounds are too vast, too deep, or too high-pitched for human ears to detect, they weave an intricate tapestry of energy that resonates across the cosmos. Stars, for instance, are not silent giants. They pulsate, their surfaces vibrating like the skin of a drum, sending ripples of sound waves through their interiors. These stellar vibrations, known as asteroseismology, carry information about a star's age, composition, and even its future. Similarly, black holes, those enigmatic voids, emit low-frequency hums as they consume matter, their gravitational waves rippling through space-time like the deep notes of a cosmic bass. Even planets and moons contribute to this symphony. Earth's magnetic field, for example, generates a chorus of electromagnetic waves known as the chorus of the magnetosphere, a haunting melody that echoes through the void. But how do these cosmic sounds, which we cannot hear, connect to us? The answer lies in the way vibrations shape reality itself. In the quantum realm, particles are not solid objects, but waves of probability, vibrating at specific frequencies. These vibrations create patterns, rhythms, and harmonies that extend far beyond the microscopic world, influencing everything from the structure of atoms to the formation of galaxies. It's as if the universe is a vast, interconnected network of energy, where every vibration is a note in an endless song. This idea takes on a fascinating dimension when we consider dreams. Just as celestial bodies emit vibrations, our minds generate their own frequencies during sleep, particularly during the REM phase, when dreams are most vivid. Some researchers suggest that these brain waves might resonate with the cosmic vibrations around us, creating a subtle connection between the universe and our subconscious. Imagine this: as you sleep, your mind becomes a receiver, tuning into the frequencies of distant stars, black holes, and galaxies. The dreams you experience might not just be random images, but echoes of the universe's symphony, translated into a language your mind can understand. The concept of cosmic soundscapes also invites us to rethink our place in the universe. We often think of ourselves as separate from the cosmos, but the vibrations that flow through space also flow through us. Every atom in your body, every cell, every thought is part of this universal rhythm. In a sense, we are not just observers of the cosmic symphony, we are participants, adding our own unique frequency to the grand composition. So the next time you gaze at the stars, try to imagine the music they might be making. Picture the vibrations of distant suns, the hum of black holes, and the whispers of planets as they orbit their stars. And when you dream, consider the possibility that your mind is not just creating stories, but tuning into the universe's song. Whether through science or imagination, the cosmic soundscape reminds us that we are part of something infinitely vast, a universe that sings in ways we are only beginning to hear. The mysteries of the quantum realm and the vastness of the cosmos have long captivated not just scientists, but also artists, writers, and filmmakers. These creators, in their own way, have become explorers of the unknown, using their craft to translate the complexities of quantum physics and cosmic wonders into stories, images, and experiences that resonate with the human spirit. From the mind-bending narratives of films like The Matrix to the awe-inspiring visuals of Interstellar, art and literature have become a bridge between the abstract world of science and the tangible world of emotion and imagination. Take Interstellar, for example. Christopher Nolan's epic film doesn't just explore the science of black holes and wormholes. It delves into the emotional and philosophical questions they raise. What does it mean to love someone across the boundaries of time? How do we grapple with the infinite when our lives are so finite? The film's portrayal of time dilation, where hours on a distant planet equate to years on Earth, is more than a scientific concept. It's a metaphor for the fragility of human connection in the face of the cosmos. It's a reminder that the universe, for all its grandeur, is deeply personal. Then there's The Matrix, a film that takes the idea of reality itself and turns it inside out. Drawing on themes of quantum superposition and the nature of existence, it asks, what if the world we perceive is just one layer of reality? What if there's a deeper, hidden truth beneath the surface? The film's iconic red pill or blue pill scene isn't just a plot device. It's a philosophical question that echoes the uncertainty of the quantum world, where particles exist in multiple states until observed. It's a story that challenges us to question what we know and to consider the possibility that reality might be far stranger than it seems. Literature, too, has embraced these themes. Arthur C. Clarke's 2001, A Space Odyssey is a masterclass in blending hard science with existential wonder. The monolith, a mysterious alien artifact, becomes a symbol of the unknown, a gateway to new dimensions of understanding. The story doesn't just take us to the stars, it takes us inward, exploring the evolution of consciousness and our place in the universe. It's a reminder that the cosmos isn't just out there, it's within us, shaping who we are and who we might become. But why do these stories resonate so deeply? Perhaps it's because they tap into something universal, a longing to understand the mysteries of existence, to feel connected to something greater than ourselves. Quantum physics and cosmic mysteries, for all their complexity, are ultimately about exploration. They invite us to look beyond the surface of reality, to question what we think we know, and to imagine what might be possible. And isn't that what art does too? Whether through a film, a novel, or a painting, art invites us to see the world through new eyes, to feel the pulse of the universe in a way that science alone cannot convey. These works also remind us that the line between science and art is not as rigid as it might seem. Both are ways of exploring the unknown, of asking questions that don't have easy answers. Both require imagination, curiosity, and a willingness to venture into uncharted territory, and both, in their own way, help us make sense of the world and our place within it. So if you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos and the quantum realm, consider exploring how these themes have been brought to life in art and literature. Whether it's the haunting beauty of 2001, A Space Odyssey, the mind-bending questions of The Matrix, or the emotional depth of Interstellar, these works offer more than just entertainment. They offer a way to engage with the universe on a deeper level. They remind us that the cosmos is not just a place of stars and galaxies, but a source of inspiration, a wellspring of stories that speak to the very heart of what it means to be human. As we continue this journey, let's celebrate the artists and storytellers who have brought these cosmic and quantum dreams to life. Their work is a testament to the power of imagination, a reminder that the universe is not just something we observe, but something we can feel, something we can dream about, and something we can explore in ways that transcend the boundaries of science and art. Now that we've explored the mysteries of the cosmos and the quantum realm through the lens of dreams, let's take a step closer to home, your own mind. What if you could actively explore these realms while you sleep? Quantum dreaming isn't just a fascinating concept. It's something you can cultivate, a skill that bridges the worlds of science and imagination. With a few practical techniques, you can enhance your dream recall, increase lucidity, and perhaps even tap into the cosmic and quantum mysteries we've been discussing. Let's dive into some actionable steps to help you embark on your own quantum dreaming journey. One of the most effective ways to start is through meditation. Before bed, take a few moments to quiet your mind and focus on your breathing. Imagine yourself floating through space, surrounded by stars and galaxies. Visualize the vastness of the cosmos, the shimmering light of distant suns, and the infinite possibilities that await. This kind of guided visualization not only relaxes your body, but also primes your mind for dreams that feel expansive and connected to the universe. As you drift off, hold on to the image of the cosmos, letting it guide you into a state of deeper awareness. Another powerful tool is dream journaling. Keep a notebook or a voice recorder by your bed, and as soon as you wake up, write down or describe everything you remember from your dreams, even if it's just a fragment. A color, a feeling, or a fleeting image capture it. Over time, this practice helps train your brain to retain more of your dreams, making it easier to recall them in vivid detail. You might start to notice patterns or recurring themes, offering clues to your subconscious mind and its connection to the cosmic and quantum realms. For those interested in lucid dreaming, where you become aware that you're dreaming and can even control the narrative, reality checks can be incredibly helpful. Throughout the day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? And look for subtle inconsistencies like text that changes when you glance away or clocks that don't keep time. This habit can carry over into your dreams, triggering moments of awareness. Once you're lucid, you can consciously explore the dream world, perhaps even experimenting with quantum concepts like superposition or entanglement. Imagine consciously experiencing what it feels like to be in two places at once, or to connect with another consciousness across vast distances. Guided visualizations can also play a key role. Before sleep, listen to recordings that guide you through cosmic landscapes or quantum phenomena. Picture yourself floating through a nebula, feeling the warmth of a star's light, or witnessing the strange behavior of particles in a quantum field. These mental exercises can shape the content of your dreams, making them more vivid and aligned with the themes of the universe and its mysteries. Finally, consider setting an intention before you sleep. This could be as simple as saying to yourself, "Tonight, I will explore the cosmos in my dreams," or "I will connect with the quantum realm and uncover its secrets." Intentions act as a kind of mental compass, guiding your subconscious toward the experiences you wish to explore. Over time, you might find that your dreams become richer, more vivid, and more aligned with the cosmic and quantum wonders we've been discussing. Quantum dreaming isn't just about the extraordinary experiences you might have while you sleep. It's also about the insights you bring back with you. As you practice these techniques, pay attention to how your dreams influence your waking life. Do you feel more connected to the universe? Do you find yourself thinking in new ways about time, space, and existence? These are the gifts of quantum dreaming: a deeper connection to the cosmos, a broader perspective on reality, and a sense of wonder that lingers long after you wake. So tonight, as you prepare for sleep, take a moment to set your intention, quiet your mind, and open yourself to the infinite possibilities of the dream world. Whether you're floating among the stars, exploring the strange behavior of quantum particles, or simply marveling at the beauty of the cosmos, remember that you're not just dreaming, you're exploring the very fabric of reality itself. And in that exploration, you might just uncover something extraordinary. The future of quantum and cosmic exploration is brimming with possibilities, promising to unlock mysteries that have puzzled humanity for centuries. As we stand on the precipice of new discoveries, the tools and technologies being developed today are set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. From cutting-edge telescopes to quantum computers, the next few decades could redefine what we know about space, time, and reality itself. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is the launch of next-generation space telescopes. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope's successors aim to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before, capturing light from the earliest stars and galaxies. These telescopes could reveal the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, the invisible forces that make up the majority of the universe's mass and energy. Imagine a device so powerful it can see back to the dawn of time, offering glimpses of the universe's infancy and shedding light on how it evolved into the vast, intricate web we see today. Closer to home, missions to Mars and beyond are set to expand our understanding of planetary systems and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Rovers like NASA Perseverance are already scouring the Martian surface for signs of ancient microbial life, while future missions aim to return samples to Earth for detailed analysis. Beyond Mars, Europa Clipper will explore Jupiter's icy moon, Europa, which may harbor a subsurface ocean capable of supporting life. These missions aren't just about answering scientific questions. They are about redefining our place in the cosmos and inspiring a new generation of explorers. In the realm of quantum research, the race to build scalable quantum computers is accelerating. These machines, which harness the principles of superposition and entanglement, could solve problems that are currently impossible for classical computers. From simulating complex chemical reactions to optimizing global supply chains, quantum computing has the potential to transform industries and deepen our understanding of the quantum realm. Some researchers even speculate that quantum computers could help us model the behavior of black holes or simulate the early moments of the Big Bang, offering new insights into the fundamental nature of reality. Theoretical physics is also pushing boundaries, with ideas like string theory and quantum gravity attempting to unify the cosmic and quantum worlds. These theories propose that the universe is made up of tiny, vibrating strings, or that space-time itself is woven from quantum threads. While still in the realm of hypothesis, these ideas challenge us to think beyond the limits of current science, imagining a universe that's even stranger and more interconnected than we've ever imagined. But the future of exploration isn't just about technology and theory. It's about curiosity. It's about asking questions that push the boundaries of what we know and daring to dream of answers we can't yet imagine. Whether you're a scientist, a student, or simply someone who gazes at the stars and wonders, the future of quantum and cosmic exploration invites you to be part of the journey. As we look ahead, one thing is clear. The universe is far from finished revealing its secrets. Every discovery, every breakthrough, opens the door to new questions, new mysteries, and new possibilities. The future of exploration is not just about finding answers. It's about embracing the wonder of the unknown and staying curious about the infinite stories the cosmos has yet to tell. So let's keep looking up, keep dreaming, and keep exploring, because the journey is just beginning. As we bring this interstellar sleep story to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've taken together. A journey that has woven together the threads of quantum physics, cosmic mysteries, and the boundless power of dreams. We've explored how the strange, unpredictable nature of the quantum realm mirrors the vast, enigmatic wonders of the cosmos, from the warping of space-time around black holes to the invisible scaffolding of dark matter that holds galaxies together. These aren't just distant concepts confined to textbooks or telescopes. They're invitations to wonder, to question, and to dream. At the heart of this exploration lies a profound truth. The universe is far stranger and more interconnected than we often realize. Quantum entanglement reminds us that separation might be an illusion, that everything, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy, is woven into a single, intricate tapestry. Dreams, those fleeting yet vivid voyages of the mind, offer us a glimpse into this interconnectedness, allowing us to transcend the boundaries of time and space, if only for a moment. They remind us that the cosmos isn't just something we observe, it's something we're part of, something that lives within us. These ideas challenge our understanding of reality itself. They ask us to consider that the universe might not be a static, predictable place, but a dynamic, ever-changing landscape of possibilities. What if the rules we take for granted, time, flowing in one direction, objects existing in one place, are just one layer of a much deeper truth. What if the cosmos and the quantum realm are two sides of the same coin, each revealing a piece of the puzzle that is existence? These questions aren't just scientific, they're deeply human, touching on our longing to understand our place in the universe and our desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. And that's where dreams come in, not just as a nightly escape, but as a bridge between the known and the unknown. Whether you see them as a product of the brain or a connection to the cosmos, dreams invite us to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. They remind us that the universe is not just a place of answers, but of questions, of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. In dreams, we might just find the courage to embrace the unknown, to see the cosmos not as a distant, cold void, but as a living, breathing entity that we are deeply connected to. As we close this chapter, let's leave you with a thought to ponder. The universe is not just something we study or observe. It's something we experience, something we dream about, something we are part of. As the poet and scientist Rebecca Elson once wrote, "We are the universe made conscious, the cosmos dreaming of itself." So tonight, as you gaze at the stars or drift into sleep, remember that you are part of this grand, cosmic story. A story that stretches across time and space, filled with wonders yet to be discovered. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever had a dream that felt cosmic or otherworldly? What mysteries of the universe captivate you the most? Share your experiences and reflections in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the wonders of space, science, and the infinite possibilities of existence. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep wondering, and keep exploring. The cosmos is waiting.